Sound in the ocean travels huge distances. It is propagated much better through water than through air. The sounds of fin and blue whales could travel about 13,000 miles. In fact, if you were listening and you had a proper ear, as whales do, you would be able to hear things that are completely across oceans.
Water is dense, so sound travels almost 5 times faster. And the lower the pitch of your voice, the more efficiently it travels. Think of this. The song of a whale, the wavelength of that song stretches 1 football field. The note, by the time it's finished, has traveled 30 miles. So everything is expanded.
The whole ocean is illuminated by the sounds of the whale, shining its flashlight around, figuring out what's all around it. Just happens to be sound, not light, that it's using.
This is a long-range social network. Humpback whales, for example. They have notes, they have phrases, they have themes, they have songs, like a musical composition.
They're beautiful. But it turns out that these whales, after about 10 minutes, start repeating themselves